Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Micro Investor, where we do technical analysis and price predictions on many different cryptocurrencies every single day. Now, in this video, we are going to be talking about XRP Ripple. So, what's currently going on here? We're looking at the daily chart, and we have XRP still above the 200-day moving average, and it is still working up to hopefully get itself above that top price that it had back on September 23rd, where the price of XRP was nearing a price around 56 cents. So we've been seeing some price fluctuations, and everything is looking really nice because right now I'd say that we're within another wave that we have started. After we had reached that peak, we've had that pullback, and now we're back on the run again. Everything has been playing out very well. So if you've been keeping up with the videos on XRP, this is what we got going on right now. I haven't adjusted anything. This is the same as it's been in the previous video. So just to let you guys know that, just for clarity here. So as the price of XRP had hit its 52-week low, I'm calling that a wave one beginning right there. And at that point, back in the middle of June, we saw the price of XRP go to around 41 cents around there, came down in a wave two. And then this wave three, this was that big wave. This is the one that had taken the price of XRP, smashing through these different Fibonacci levels, going all the way up from this low here from around 31 cents to this high here of around 56 cents. That was a big run there. So we saw that little bit of correction, which I figured we would, and everything worked out just as planned. Within that, we came down with an ABC. And now as we are working on things correcting here within this now fifth wave that we're working on, you can see that things are moving along just as we expect. Now within this fifth wave, I expect there to be a 5-wave impulse within it. So as I'm assuming we're on the wave 5 now, there's no guarantees on the timeline here of how things are playing out. But so far within this, we do have a wave 1, a wave 2, and we're working on that third wave right now. So this could go up to who knows where. I'm expecting this one to be the one that's going to be smashing through this 56 cents price and probably go somewhere within this green box here, somewhere in the range of around 60 cents is what I'm hoping for. I mean, definitely crossing my fingers here that is going to be the scenario. It can go up even higher. That we don't know. I'm not trying to say that I can predict this stuff accurately. I'm just using Elliot Wave theory here. It's very common. So looking at that, we're probably going to be coming down within a wave 4 somewhere around there. And then that wave 5 impulse, that's going to be the next real big banger impulse there that is going to complete this wave 5. I should say the smaller wave 5 impulse is going to complete this larger wave 5 impulse. And that's going to hopefully get the price of XRP up to around 70 cents, if not more. What I'm thinking is we're going to start to retrace a lot of where we were at as we were coming down from the beginning of April all the way into that low point in the middle of June. So that's what I'm thinking this is going to play out. This current Fibonacci level that we're approaching where we had topped out on our wave 3, that's this area here. You can see it was an area back in the month of May that XRP had a little bit of support, then it fell through, and it just really fell through at that point. And that's what we've been working on. So we're working on just trying to get through this part. And then as we get through this, that next challenge, of course, is just to complete where we were at within this wave 2. I'm thinking that's going to be the next big struggle there from the downtrend that we had back in April. So a lot of things really, to pay attention to right now. But as far as other things are going, I mean, XRP is on the other side of the bull market support band. It's still pumping above that 200-day moving average. Everything is going very swimmingly right now. And I used the word swimmingly. So now looking at XRP here on the hourly chart, and you can see that it's performing a lot better than many of the altcoins that are following along with what Bitcoin and Ethereum are doing. XRP is doing its own thing, and that is great that it is doing that because there's some negative influence out there with Bitcoin and Ethereum right now as far as, say, like the jobs report that had come out on Friday, how the reaction to that wasn't even as severe as many people are saying it was. We saw a little bit of a price drop of Bitcoin and Ethereum, but you can hear the doom and gloom, and especially on YouTube, you can hear how a lot of people that do analysis videos, how they're saying that's crashing Bitcoin or that's crashing Ethereum, and none of that has been the case at all. I don't get those channels that do that. But looking over here at what XRP is doing, it pumped really nicely through this Fibonacci level that was at the price of around 50 cents. You can see how it pumped through that. So as we get through our next Fibonacci level, that one that was within the wave 3 or top one that we have here, I'm expecting the same type of pump that we had seen. So now here on the 4-hour chart, as we continue to move up, hopefully within this next week, we will be at that 56 cents price. That's probably going to be an area with a good amount of resistance, because there was a decent amount of support that we had seen during that big sell-off in the months of April, May, and June. So because of that, I expect that as we approach that Fibonacci level, we will probably be seeing a good amount of resistance. But when we do pump through that, I expect a more than likely a really nice pump, unless we were able to completely just smash through that in a large price movement. That would be amazing. But of course, assume that there's going to be a good amount of resistance there is what I'm assuming. So that's what I expect. That's the best bullish case scenario that we will see. And then from there, do expect there to be some sort of correction from that point after we get through there as we work our way up within this wave 3. Without knowing where this wave 3 impulse is going to go, expect that pullback to happen and probably even take us down back below that Fibonacci level. That's a possibility, because you would expect a little ABC correction right there and then move again within that wave 5 to complete this larger wave 5 within a larger impulsor. So that's how everything is moving. Also, I think it's worth mentioning here that I'm not buying XRP right now. I already took some profits within this wave 4. So just to let you guys know that I already took some profits from this wave 4. I'm not accumulating right now. If I do accumulate more, I probably won't be doing that until I can have some confirmation about this wave 5 being complete. That probably won't be until I do buy again. So just to let you guys know that I'm not accumulating. I'm still holding, but I did take some profits within the wave 4. So just let you guys know where my strategy is. Anyways, with that being said, I'd like to hear your guys' thoughts and opinions about this. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. New content coming out all the time. I'll keep you guys updated on XRP. But first, I'm going to jump on the next cryptocurrency video. So be sure to also stay tuned for that. So I'll just see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching and listening.